Summertime camping is so much better with this portable fan. It's only 8 inches tall, which is great for portability, so it's easy to add to your pack, but it also has 4 different speeds, so you know it's very powerful. You can fully charge the unit via C-plug before you leave, or keep it plugged in with USB while you're using it. It also has a very bright camping light, so it's great for daytime or nighttime, and it's fully adjustable so you can direct the air exactly where you need it. One of the coolest features is that you can actually use the USB provided to charge your small electronics or phone. This is a great camping or van life accessory to create airflow within your space when you're in the outdoors.